Alright, good morning and welcome back to Muteki.com. It is April 21st, just around 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time during the New York Open of the Forex markets. Now, what we're going to do in this video today is recap what happened yesterday. We were looking for that buy on the Euro USD. As you can see here, coming from the line of demand that was created in this market, we're looking for the overall completion here of this movement that broke that line of supply coming off of here. We had the initial movement, respect of all the fib expansions, being the 61.8, the 100%, and then the 127. And I was looking for the completion movement to come off here and create support off of that line of demand and complete the 161.8. We did not have that happen. And if you remember, what I said is if we do not have that happen, then we will be looking for the break here of the line of demand, showing us that supply is back in this market. And that is exactly what we got. Now, first off, what you can see here below is my trade log. You can see that I sold the Euro USD, and as a matter of fact, yesterday at the 1.3445 price level, and that we did have my profit taken out here at the 1.3405 level. Now, I want to cover that trade in this video, and the next video we will get into today's trade. And remember, in these videos, what I'm going to be doing from now on is documenting every single trade that is taken on my $500 mini account that I started up with on Monday with that opening deposit, as you can see, of 500 bucks. All right, so the trade that I took yesterday, mostly coming off of the break of the supply line. Okay, now here we can see yesterday's market, and we had the supply line broken right here at this point. Now, I was still interested in potentially seeing a bounce off the 61.8 for the continuation movement up until the matter came in where this market drastically broke through the 61.8, and we can see that right here at this level. And this is where I began to direct my movement and my concern towards a potential continuation south here in the market. And what I wanted to do was gather information on the movement here, and I did that by taking my fib expansions and fib retracements and continuing on from there. So we can see here, what I love to do is when we have a movement break a line of supply or demand, in this case a line of demand, I like to take that movement, as you can see right here, from the start to the top that breaks that, and I like to make that as my initial movement and take off of that the material and data that I need. So we had a retracement off of that. We can definitely see that without even placing my retracements on there. Okay, it looks like a 236 or a 382 retracement. Let's just go ahead and verify that for the traders who are not yet so comfortable with it, and we can see that it is indeed a 23.6. There we can see the market retracing. And from there, we saw the market continue nicely on this 5-minute compression, create lower lows and lower highs in this market. And this is where I was beginning to get very interested here in selling this. And when I saw this market here turn into the 100% fib expansion, okay, I saw the payout occurring. Now, what got me fully invested in this pair is when I saw the retracement come back here on the pair. And adjusting my retracements, we can see that in this market we had the 23.6 right here, retrace this, and this is where I took my sell, okay, because what I was seeing once again is the market creating its lower lows and lower highs. You can see that this is still a lower high than this area, and I knew that this market was not going to allow it to come up above this area, because then we would see a reversal of the market direction. So that's why I took my sell there. You can see at the 1.3445, you can see that's exactly what I did. Okay, I had my stop set at the 1.3475. Now, further continuing on, the reason why I traded this is because definitely I was looking for a potential profit target. Now, what you can see here, when we go to a larger compression, what you can see here is my 1.3405 area in the market where I took out my profit. And you can see that line right there being created by two lines. Now, what is creating this, first off, is the 127.2 fib expansion, okay, as you can see, of the movement in here, the smaller movement, the movement that we were indeed trading. And then if you go back to the all important higher time frames, what you can see is there was also a 127.2 fib expansion of this initial movement here in the 4-hour compression that was showing nice respect of the 100% fib expansion. They were tracing off of that, and then this was our target being that 127.2, overlapping a fib expansion on two separate movements. So that is the movement that I took yesterday on the Euro USD. Again, remember, my type of trading differs every day depending on the setups that the market offers to me. That's why you can see here that I'm not using my fib zones yet, because I'm not seeing larger movements. What I'm seeing here is opportunities to take out 20, 30, 40 pips at a time, and you can see that is what I'm doing. So once again, we started off this week with the $500 mini, and from now on I'm going to be documenting the trades taken on the mini account here and showing exactly how to build up that 500 mini and make a stable income out of that trading the Forex markets. So with that said, folks, I will be updating later on when I take my trade on the account. Until then, have a great morning, good luck, and happy trading.